and perseverance have paid off. And you should be incredibly proud of yourselves. Proud na mo?
Proud.
Proud mo? Happy mo?
Very proud.
Masabay na kitang bata ngayon. Grade 6. Ready na ba mo mahimong grade 7? Ready na. Wala, bisog-bisog na mga subject nito do. But it's a big challenge. Grade 10. Handa na mo sa inyong, or naka-decide na ba mo sa strand? You only have mga 2 months more to go to decide. And also, maybe asa ka school, maybe magdepende man ang strand. Kaya I guess, here at Salaysay Integrated School, yung strand. So if you decide you want to go STEM or other strands, maybe siguro din sa Salaysay Integrated School. Pero naka-decide na ba? Wala pa? What about our grade 12 graduating class? Kumusta? Naka-decide na ba kung isang kurso atong gaon? Wala pa? Naka-decide na ba sa kung unsang university or college or institute atong eskwelahan? Wala pa gabon? Well, anyway, you still have time to think about that. As you move forward, okay, from this day on, remember that learning is a lifelong process. Silang Dr. Leilani, atong mga school head, atong mga teachers, we learn every day. So you shouldn't stop here. Basta yung mo, okay, graduate of elementary, okay na ni. Babasa na ko, okay na ko basic arithmetic, maka-plus, maka-minus, times, divide. Mo naman yung kinahanap mong balik to ato sa merkado. Lang kinahanap ng x-word, minus 2xy, minus yz equals 0. Find the value of x. Manong, may mga anak ko dito sa merkado. Okay na maka-minus ko, pila ng sweldo, deduction na ko, maka-multiply, okay lang ba taana? Yes, it's a lifelong process. Learning is a lifelong process. So you should not stop here. Ang mga grade 10, dapat, okay na ko ang grade 10, baka nakawan ang grade 10, mag-medium na ako. I hope not. Well, there is no wrong about that as long as you are at the right age. But life is better when you get married at a certain level or a certain time. Remember, there is a time for everything. So atong mga grade 12 sa, okay na rin, graduate ako high school, senior high school, okay na rin, pwede na rin din mo atong university. I hope that is not your mentality. I hope na, yes, as what I've mentioned, it's a lifelong process. Continue to learn, but how do we learn? Yes, we can learn every day. Sa mamumata, manggunata, mangunong sa tubo, mamata, mangtapas. I know all these things. Like I was from here. Once again, I was once like you. Taga-purong size, me, taga-landig size, purong size. Dito ko nagdako, dito ko nahuman ko elementarya. And I know mangguna. Nami umang sa tres, mag-agi-agi mi dari, lapo kayo, magtiniil, mag-harvest na mais, ang mga butong ng kabayo, bayan dari, I know that. Kabalo ko mangguna, kabalo ko manguhon-hun ng tubo. But you should encourage yourself na, again, you have to move forward. Ayaw lang kakontento na nag-graduate mo kong high school. Dapat, padayon pa ta, okay ba? Graduates, okay ba nga? O padayon pa ng-eskwela? Okay kayo eh. I'm not saying you can only be successful when you finish university, no? I'm not saying that. Kailan mo ni Steve Jobs? Stephen Paul Jobs. Kailan mo?
Wala na lang eh.
Kaya tagiya sa Apple company ba? Kailan mo niya? Wala. Diba?